Now let's solve some of the examples depending on all the formulas of straight line that we have derived, right? The first question is, find the equation of the line parallel to x-axis and which is 3 units below it. So whenever such type of questions of straight line is there, try to draw the figure for that, so that you will be easily able to understand what it is asking, or you will get a logic which formula you are going to apply or which concept you can use there, right? So here in this case, let's suppose this is a line which is parallel to x-axis, right? This is your x-axis, this is your y-axis, right? This line is parallel to x-axis. The first part was parallel to x-axis, right? This is the line. Here, this will be your origin, okay? Right? Now, the second point is 2 units below it, means the line should be 3 units below it, right? The line should be 3 units below it. Let us suppose the line is here, 3 units below x-axis. Now this line L1 is parallel to x-axis and 3 units below it. Let's suppose this will be my -1, this will be my -2, and the point where it is intersecting is minus. That means this line is 3 units below x-axis. 3 units. This will be the length from x-axis for this line 1, right? Now, as the line L1 is parallel to x-axis, we have seen if the line is parallel to x-axis, we have to take y equals to. If the line is parallel to y-axis, we have to take x equals to. And we should put the point where the line is intersecting the y-axis, this one, right, in this case. So this line 1 is intersecting y-axis at point -3. So the equation of line 1 is y equals to -3. Convert it into the standard form, that is y plus 3. I have shifted this -3 to the left hand side. So this is the equation of line 1, which is parallel to x-axis and passing through -3. So always remember which I just told you, how to take equation of the line which is parallel to x-axis or y-axis, right? Now the second question, let's erase this. The second question is, we have to find the equation of the line which is passing through origin and having inclination 30 degree, right? Here you can observe, let's suppose this line I'll change the same line and make it to make an inclination through x-axis to the x-axis, and it should pass through origin. So let's suppose this is line 2, which is passing through origin, that is 0, 0, and making an inclination 30 degree or angle with x-axis at 30 degree, right? Now here you can observe, if the inclination is there, we can easily find out line 2's slope, right? The slope of line 2 will be tan of the inclination, that is tan 30. What is the value of tan 30? It is 1 by √3. Now I get the value of slope of line 2. As I know the slope of line 2 and a point, one point through which the line 2 is passing, I can easily apply equation of the line in slope point form. Formula here. What was the formula for the line in slope point form? It was y minus y1 equals to m in bracket x minus x1. So put the respective values. The point through which the line is passing is x1, y1, and the slope is m. Just put the respective values. So I will get y minus. What is the value of y1? It is 0. Because what is the value of m? It is 1 by √3. X minus. What is the value of x1? It is 0. Here it is 0. Y minus 0 is y. 1 upon √3. X minus 0 is x. Just multiply this √3 to the left hand side. What I will get? √3y equals to 1 into x. Just shift this y to the right hand side. It will be x minus √3y. I can reverse the equation as root 3 x minus root 3. So this is my required equation of the line, which is passing through origin and having an inclination of 30 degrees. Right? So just remember how we found out this question. So this logic we should understand which formula is to be used depending on the given conditions. If the slope is known, try to find one point to get it to apply slope point. If one point is known, try to find slope or second point. Right. If I know the point 1 and if I will be able to get slope, I will apply this slope point form. If after slope point 1 is given, if I am able to find the second point, I can use 2-point form of the equation of the line, right? So depending on the given condition, you can apply, right? Now the next question is here. In third question, we have to find the equation of the line which is passing through 5, 2 and having slope 6. That means slope m is 6 and the point through which it is passing is 5, 2. If we know the point and the slope, we know that which formula we are going to use, that is y minus y1 m in bracket x minus x1, right? This is the formula of the line for finding a line whose passing through a point, that is one point and one slope, that is point slope point form. So just put the respective values. Y, what is the value of y1? It is 2. What is the value of slope? It is 6. X minus, what is the value of x1? It is 5, right? So what I will get, y minus 2 equals to 6 into x, 6x, 6 into minus 5, minus 30. Just shift all the terms to the left hand side, right hand side. What I will get, 0 equals to 6x minus 30, right? And minus y plus 2. So what I will get, 6x minus y minus 30 plus 2. It will be minus 28, right? So just switch left hand side and right hand side. What I will get, 6x minus y minus 28 equals to 0. This is the equation of the line which is passing through 5, 2 and having slope 6, right? The next question, here in fourth question, we have to find the equation of line which is passing through point A and point B. The 2 points are given. We are using the formula of the line in 2-point form. What was y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equals to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. You can consider any point as x1, y1, right? So I will, for first point, I will take it as x1, y1, x1, y1, and this point will be my x2, y2. Point B is my x2, y2. Okay. Just put the respective values. What I will get, y minus, what is the value of y1? It is minus 2, minus 1 upon x minus, what is the value of x1? It is 2 equals to, what is the value of y2? It is 1 minus, what is the value of y1? It is minus 1. So always write in bracket if the sign of any coefficient or any number is minus, or the value of anything is minus, always write in bracket. Okay, so x2, what is the value of x2? It is 5 minus, what is the value of x1? It is 2. Here it should be comma. Okay. Now this minus minus plus, so I will get y plus 1 upon x minus 2 equals to 1 minus minus plus 1. So 1 plus 1, it will be 2 upon 5 minus 2, it is 3. Just cross multiply 3 into y plus 1 equals to 2 into x minus 2, right? So now 3 into y, 3y plus 3 into 1, 3 equals to 2 into x, 2x minus 2 into 2, 4. Just switch all the values to the right hand side. What I will get, shift all the values. What I will get, 0 equals to 2x minus 4y minus 3y minus 3. So what I will get, 2x minus 3y minus 4 minus 3, it will be minus 7. Just switch left hand side and right hand side. What I will get, 2x minus 3y minus 7 equals to 0. This is the equation of the line which is passing through this 2 point that we have found by using 2-point form of the equation of the line, right? So have a note. Next, in the fifth question, what is it is given? Slope is minus 3 by 4 and y-intercept, that is the value of c, is given 5. You can consider it as 0, 5. The line is passing. So here you can use two formulas. One is slope intercept form and one is slope point form. As this y-intercept is given, y-intercept means 0, 5. So by using the point form and the slope, you can find the equation of the line, or it will be easy if here as y-intercept is given and slope is given, I will use slope intercept form. So you should solve by this. I am solving by this. Okay. So what I will get? Y equals to, what is the value of m? Minus 3 by 4 into x plus what is the value of c? It is 5. So what I will get? Y equals to minus 3x, 4 into 5, 20 upon 4. Just multiply 4 to the left hand side. What I will get? 4y equals to minus 3x plus 20. Take all the right hand side terms to the left hand side. What I will get? 3x plus 4y minus 20 equals to 0. So this is my equation of the line having slope minus 3 by 4 and y-intercept as 5. Right? So have a note. Now the sixth question is equation of the line making intercept 3 and 6 on coordinate axis. That means both the intercepts of the line is given. So I am going to use double intercept form of the line. Here what is the x-intercept? It is 3. Y-intercept it is 6. Just put the respective values and solve. You will get the answer. 6x. 6 into x, 6x. 3 into y, 3y upon 3 6 are 18 equals to 1. So what I will get? 3x plus 6x plus 3y equals to 18 into 1, 18. Shift 18 to the left hand side. What I will get? 6x plus 3y minus 18 equals to 0. So this is my required equation of the line having x-intercept 3 and y-intercept 6. Right? So have a note of this. Now the next question is we have to find the equation of the line passing through the point n minus 2, 3 and the segment of the line intercepted between the coordinate axis is bisected at n. The given information is, let's suppose this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis. There is a line, let's suppose line is passing through like this and it is passing through minus 2, 3 which is the point n, right? Here this line is intercepting x-axis at, let's suppose, point A and your y-axis at point, let's suppose the coordinates of point A is minus a, 0. The coordinate of point B is 0, B, right? These will be the intercepts of the line on x-axis and y-axis. So the line segment joining these 2 points, that is the 2 intercept, is called the segment of the line intercepted between the coordinate axis, right? So this line segment AB is bisected at n. Bisected means n is the midpoint of AB, right? So here, if I know the value of A and B, I can easily find the equation of the line by using double intercept form, because A and B are the intercepts of the line, right? So how to find A and B? Here we will use this information, that is n is the midpoint of AB, by using midpoint formula. You know that what is meant by midpoint formula. Let M is the midpoint of AB. A is having coordinates x1, y1. B is having coordinates x2, y2. Let's suppose the midpoints M coordinate are x, y. So what is the value of x? It is x1 plus x2, y2. What is the value of y? y1 plus y2 by 2. By using this formula, we can easily find the midpoint of any line segment. Right? So this formula we are going to use here. Here the midpoints coordinates are known, and by using it, we can find the endpoints coordinates. Right? So here, just apply the formula. So here, your midpoint will be your x1, x, y. Let's suppose your x1, y1 will be your point A coordinates, and x2, y2 will be your point B's coordinate, right? Okay. Just apply the midpoint formula. X will be, this x will be, put x in x coordinate form, right? So here, just put into this formula. Value of x is, I am writing here, minus 2 equals to, value of x1 is minus a, plus value of x2 is 0 upon 2. I will multiply this 2 to the left hand side. I will get minus 2 into 2, 4 equals to minus a. Minus a plus 0, minus a. Minus minus get cancelled. So what I will get, a equals to 4. Right? So x intercept, now I know the value of x intercept. Similarly, I will find the value of y intercept. Just find the value of y intercept. Okay. What is the value of y? 3. What is the value of y1? 0. What is the value of y2? b upon 2. This 2 I will take to the left hand side. I will get 3 into 2, 6 equals to b. That means the value of b, that is the value of y intercept is 6 for this line. Right? By using double intercept form, I can easily find out the equation of the line. What is the double intercept form of the line? It is x upon a plus y upon b equals to 1. Just put the value x upon, what is the value of a? 4. What is the value of b? 6 equals to 1. 6x plus 4y upon 24. 24 to the left hand side, right hand side, then left hand side. What will you get? Minus 24. This is the equation of the line, right? Having intercept, x intercept as 4 and y intercept as 6, that we have found by using the midpoint formula. So in this way, you have to apply or use all the formulas to find the equation depending on the given condition. So always try to draw the graph, and after drawing the figure, you can have a logic or you can get a hint how which formula you are going to use. Right? Next. Now before moving to the next part, I suggest you to solve exercise 3. This is the first part of exercise 3. This is the second part. Have a screenshot and try to solve. You can cross verify your answers. So these are the answers. So after solving, please cross verify the answers. If you are facing any problem in any question, let me know. I'll try to make a different video on the solution of exercises.